Want to know how to see your profile views in well-found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we can just simply open up your AngelList.com website, which has been now renamed to wellfound.com. So make sure you open that up. So once you've done that, make sure you are logged in as well. So in order to see who viewed your profile or how many people have viewed your profile, on the leftmost side you should be seeing right below home your profile right here, which would show your profile information. Just simply like that. So now once you've selected the profile, here you should be seeing various interfaces. Scroll down a little bit and on the top right side you should be seeing this profile views right here, right beside public profile. Just simply like that, and your profile views should be viewed right here. So for a better profile view, make sure you also update your information for that. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.